This is my quick all you need to know review of these handbag hooks for tables. If you, like me, love stylish fashion gadgets, this is for you. This is so smart and fun. When you go to a bar or restaurant and you don't know where to put your bag, this is what you need. So I got one in gold and one in silver, so I can match it with my outfit for the evening. Let me show you how it works. So when you open it up, it is a little hook hanging down from this little round thing. You just simply fold it out and place it on the table. Because of how it's designed, the weight is leveled so it doesn't fall off. And when you put your bag on the hook, it stays on perfectly. I keep one of these in my bags everywhere I go. They are so small and easy to use. I was honestly surprised about the quality. It's really great and I love how shiny they are. Let me show you what it looks like with a bag on. I hope you got a good idea of how these works, and this is something every woman should have in their bag. The best part is that you don't have to worry about having your bag in your lap or, God forbid, put them on the floor. This is also a perfect little gift or something to treat yourself with. You can definitely buy this with confidence.